Welcome to Sitaram International School. We create confident kids. Hello, dears. Yeah, this is myself, Anto Rosita. I'm going to take computer science class for you. Okay, in before that, let us see one inspiration quote. That is, success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. This is according to Maya Angelou. Okay, yes. Before starting this session, let us see and do one warm up session. Okay, so that is, I just tell how you can do it. After my after that, you have to tell what I'm told. Okay, yeah, stand straight. Yes, nice. So then, to take your right leg in, up and down, you just shake it. Okay, so after doing one time, you have to do in right leg, left, right. So you have to shake your leg up and down. Okay, so in daily you have to do in this exercise means you have to reduce your body fat. Okay, yes. After finishing this warm up session, yeah, now we are going to discuss about the multimedia. Can you know what is the meaning of multimedia? Yes, somebody's are know, but somebody's couldn't know that. But you know that, but you didn't know that is the multimedia. Okay, yes, yeah. In our daily life, we are seeing, we are watching the cartoon channels. Okay, if the cartoon channel means each and every characters wants to be moving, right? Like a Dora Buji and Ching Chang, Motu Bodlu, these kind of characters wants to move, and it can be moves on at the time. Okay, so these kind of way, but this is not a original character. Okay, as a human beings they wants to create that. Okay, so this is called a multimedia system. Okay, see, now let us intro what is the multimedia. Okay, so multimedia, it can derived, or we can split the multimedia into first one multi, then media. Multi means many or multiple, so then media means medium of communication. Okay, so then multimedia, let us see what is the definition of the multimedia. Okay, so multimedia refers to the presentation of information and instruction through a combination of graphics, audio, text or video. Okay, so multimedia instruction is often interactive. Yeah, using a multimedia we can use lots of things like video games. Okay, so see, the term multimedia was coined by singer and ad artist Bob Goldstein in 1966. Goldstein came up with the term to describe the technical nature of his entertainment. How we are watching the cartoon channels using the Goldstein wants to make this multimedia system for his entertainment. Okay, okay. In your entertainment, what will you do? Yes, you can play or you can dance. Somebody wants to dance. Somebody wants to watching TV. Okay, somebody's read some books. So we can. So for the purpose of entertainment, we can use a multimedia system. Okay. So see, the term multimedia has taken almost 40 years to have concerned meaning of use, until came 1993, wherein Tay Vaughan declared the definition in his book entitled Multimedia Making It Work. Okay, who make the book? Tay Vaughan. Okay, so what is the name of the book? multimedia making it work. So now that you understand the history, let's go beyond past and proceed with the definition. See the multimedia. So see, these are okay, where we use this kind of multimedia system in a hospital. First one is a hospital. How we can do in a hospital? Can you know about it? Yeah, here we can take a X-ray scanning. So these kind of ways. Okay, so then educational institution. Yes, in our school we can take the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, the PPT is most powerful multimedia system. Okay, so then railway, then airport, then newspaper offices, then market, theaters. Yeah, theaters and cinema halls. We can see the movies. Okay, so here there also we can use a multimedia system. See. Yeah, first one is one girl wants to see and using the computer system using a multimedia. Okay, then also the second boy, he do something. Okay, then also the last two persons are using a they can making a uh, they can uh, they can send their voice messages or see the face using a multimedia system. Okay, so see elements of multimedia. Okay, so text, images, audio, video, graphics and animation. Okay, so these are all called elements of multimedia. Okay, uh, after slide we have to see the explanation of the elements of multimedia. Okay, see uses of multimedia in various field where we used it. Okay, see a laser show is a live multimedia performance. In Are you see these kind of laser shows? Yeah, we can see the some programs for some TV channels. They can use a laser show for mention the particular person. They can use a laser shows. Okay, are you hear the word laser? Yeah, in a medical field they can use a laser operation. Okay, yes. Second one is a presentation using PowerPoint. Corporate presentations may combine all forms of media content. Yeah, how we taken a PPT class for our school. Similarly, some of the countries and some of companies and the corporate companies, they can use a PowerPoint presentation, but they can use a most powerful and advantages of multimedia system. Okay, so see the final one. Virtual reality uses multimedia content. Applications and delivery platforms of multimedia are visually limitless. Then yeah, in our mobile phone we have put some passwords. Okay, somebody can use a face password, somebody can use a text, somebody can use a pattern. So these kind of ways also using a multimedia system. Okay, so see text. First one is text is the basis for word processing programs and is still the fundamental information used in many multimedia programs. Yeah, if we send any messages or email, means we can use a text method. Okay, so this is the fundamental way for a multimedia. Second one is audio. Okay, yeah, if we feel boring or if we feel some happiness, so whatever means we can hear some songs, right? So this is the called a multimedia, one of the multimedia application. Okay, a multimedia application may require the use of speech, music and sound effect. These are called audio or the sound element. There are two basic type of audio or sound: analog and digital audio. Okay, Third one is video. Yeah, if you heard the video means nowadays the video wants to um, telecast in TV. In those days, they can use a TV, but nowadays we can use a mobile phone like YouTube, Instagram, and WhatsApp, Facebook, like this the share chart. We can use a more application to see the videos. Okay, so this is how they can make how the people can make these kind of videos using a multimedia system. Okay, so video, a recording of moving visual images made digitally or on video tape. Okay, so if using a multimedia system, in first, one thing, in first the cartoon characters will be taken one picture. After that, using a animation, we can use it to move the cartoon artist. Okay, so after that, the editing, then only we can get a proper animation videos. So see the graphics. Yeah, what is the meaning of graphics? Yeah, that is extra. Okay, if as a human being we are looks like a normal way, but in a cartoon artist like Motu Bodlu, so some cartoon artist, I mean some cartoon characters wants to some having some big belly, big nose, long nose, so the teeth looks like a different way. So these characters created by using a graphics. Okay, so graphics makes the multimedia application attractive. They help to illustrate ideas through still pictures. There are two types graphics used: bitmaps, paint graph. Second one is unvectored, that draw graphics. Then animation. Yeah, you know very well what is animation. Is a process of making a static image look like it is moving. In multimedia, digital animation is used. Digital animation can be categorized into two broad area, that is 2D and 3D. 2 dimension and 3 dimension. Okay. Then hypermedia, an extension to hypertext providing multimedia facilities such as those handling sound and video. Okay. So C.T. Vaughan also added that multimedia can be called interactive when it allows people to generate computer command. See, the multimedia can be divided into two types, that is interactive multimedia. Second one is non-interactive multimedia. Okay, for example of interactive multimedia means in our mobile phone we can use, sometimes we can use the password of our voice. Okay, so if we give any input, then only the mobile password can be unlocked. Okay, so these kind of way is called as a interactive multimedia. The non interactive multimedia means the television and a cinema theater. Okay, here we can see only if there is we don't tell anything, it can be mm, move automatically. Okay, so if we give any input, I mean the remote control, we can see that. Okay, so this is called a non-interactive multimedia. Okay, if we see a movie in a cinema theater, we just see that only, we don't give anything. Okay, so the graphics means sound, video, text and everything. This is called a hypermedia. In a hypermedia means it can be all over the multimedia system. It has all over the multimedia system like a graphic, sound, video, text, animation, Okay, so that is storage devices. First, it can be derived into three types, that is optical, magnetic, and flash memory. So see the multimedia components. First one, properties of graphics. OpenGL, that is Open Graphic Library. Okay, that is standard. Second one is selectable, editable, or revisable. Third one, generated by a graphics editor program. That then two-dimensional figure or illustration which can be produced manually by drawing or painting. Then constructed by the composition of primitive objects such as lines, polygons, circles, curves, and arcs. So then animation. Okay, if we open a computer, after that if we want to make or draw any drawing means that that way also we can use a if we want to make any painting means at the time also we can use a multimedia system. Okay, so animation, illusion of motion created by consecutive display of images of static elements. Multimedia application can become interactive. Then visual effect like dissolves are used to primitive animations. So then figures shows picture, video, images. Okay, so then computer graphics can be two forms, that is bitmap, second one is vector based. Okay, bitmap is image file format used to save digital images. So see the four abbreviations are there. First one is PNG, portable network graphic. Second one is GIF, graphic interchange format. Third one is TIFF, tagged image file format. Fourth one is JPEG, joint photographic expert groups. Okay, so then store bitmap image but not normally referred as bitmap. Vector based graphic is based on sketching and drawing different elements like circles, lines, and rectangles to create images. Okay, so then examples of multimedia. Examples where multimedia plays important part and provide benefit, that is multimedia courseware. Okay, so multimedia courseware is important application which is capable of improving the learning skills, enhancing their knowledges, and learner can easily understand the different concept. World Wide Web, that is WWW. If you want to make if you want to know anything means the mail id having www dot. So what is the meaning of and what is the abbreviation of www means world wide web. Okay, so it is most important application of multimedia. So okay dears, I hope you all understand what is the multimedia system, and after session we have to see some elaborate. Okay, so after otherwise if you have any doubt please ask me dears. Thank you, bye bye, and stay safe, be happy forever.